Entry team, this is Todd. Suspects have dug in and may have planted traps.
Dropping a light.
Move with extreme caution.
Copy. Dealing with it now.
Let's hurry up and get out of here. Follow the plan. No!
Entry team to talk. Contact now. There you go. All done. Zipped up and good to go. I got this. Doc, suspect is incapacitated.
Lead,
Almost
this is
zipped
Doc.
up.
Notifying Thames.
Hands in the air!
Lead,
Doc,
this is Todd.
everything's good to go.
You performed your duties to the absolute bare